Hello everyone, welcome back to Junk Drawer Digital's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're assembling the February 2025 monthly kit. I'll share all the important details with you throughout the video, but other than that, it will mostly be me assembling the folio. As you can see on the final folio, I added some ribbons, one brad, and a pair of Velcro as additional elements. These are completely optional. In fact, all you really need to make this folio is a pair of scissors and some glue. I hope you enjoy the video and follow along with me. Thanks for watching. I've cut all my pieces beforehand, and distressed where I felt like it would look nice, using vintage photo. There's a thin score line on the folio body, but in case it's not easily visible, your first scoring mark is at 4 inches, and the second one is at 4.5 inches for the spine. I printed the journal papers on 120 GSM paper, which added some bulk. This made my original closure idea impractical. To resolve this, I used a piece of ribbon to secure the entire journal instead. It added a nice decorative touch while keeping everything in place. I'm going to start by assembling the folio pieces first, and then I'll move on to attaching them to the main folio. We have 2 flaps with lots of pockets, and these will be attached to panel C, which is the panel that has the closure. These pockets come with all the information you need on their own page, but let me mention it here again, we're scoring along the midline to create 2 separate pockets. I'm going to set this one aside for now before adding the pockets on the back, giving the glue some time to dry. I'm going to repeat the same process with the second flap, except this one has 3 pockets on each side. Finally, I repeat the same steps for the reverse sides of the flaps. Let's move on to the big envelope that goes on panel A. I haven't decided yet which type of closure I want for this one, but I think I'll go with Velcro. These are the 2 expandable pockets. To create the expansion, we need to fold the tabs in opposite directions each time, like an accordion. We'll get back to them later on. Now let's assemble the folio base, since we're done with all the other elements. Attach panel C, also known as the closure, to the main folio, making sure the edges are aligned and straight. As I mentioned earlier, I plan to use this cute envelope to hold the closure down. However, it turns out it's not strong enough for the job, so you can skip this step if you want to. It still looks cute though. I think if I had placed the brad closer to the closure, it would have held it down better. I'm going to attach the smaller one on top of the taller one first and make sure it sticks really well before attaching them to the folio. When attaching pieces next to fold lines, make sure to leave a tiny gap to allow for smooth movement. Let's attach the expandable pockets. I want to add 2 pieces of ribbon underneath to keep these pockets secure and in place. Plus, it adds a cute detail. I make a tiny mark where I'd like the ribbon to go, then measure it. It's 2.5 inches, roughly 6.25 centimeters, from the bottom edge. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the kit, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.